Yo, what up, y'all? What up, what up, what up? So, today's episode is we're working on the truck and whatnot. And whatnot. Yeah, it's just like that. And, so we're bringing you another episode of the truck. I'm going to show you some things we already did or we started doing, and then we kind of stopped. So, here we go. So this is off camera, but me and Woody was going for this axle tire look for the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down another thing of red because this door was actually blue, but I don't want to cover over top of the rust. So I'm basically just gonna do it all right here, all around the door right here. I'm gonna leave the front fender alone because I just like the dull look of it and whatnot, and hopefully that red that I brought right here is dull enough. So I haven't touched this side yet. Oh, I see he started buffing with this side, but I haven't started touching this side. I'm gonna go back over to sander, probably go ahead and hit the door too, like I'm gonna do on the other side and whatnot, and that should be do that. Possibly hit this bumper, rear bumper and front bumper, so that take care of that. But for the most part, like I said, that's what I'm going for. This, bear with me for the pictures and everything, because I know right now y'all probably looking, this thing look like shit. That's what we're going for. It look like shit. We want a pit popping motor, so something you won't see coming when it actually starts doing what it's doing. And also he's power washing his engine bay on his truck. If I have time and I get to mine, sure. But that's what he's doing to his truck. So I go back and forth and I keep everybody knowledgeable what's going on with both things. Still with the stuff inside? Huh? I just realized, still with the stuff inside? Like you didn't move the rags or anything?
I didn't move shit.
Okay, well, works good for you. I haven't showed y'all guys the rush thing yet. That's because it's really been in his tent. But I'll show you later on today how he's been doing his rush thing, and this is what I wanted mine to somewhat come out to be, but yeah, that's what we're going for. I'm gonna let him do his thing, I'm gonna do mine, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this damn truck. The first thing is I'm gonna go ahead and lay down some of this red paint, and that way it should be alright. So I ain't gonna lie, that actually turned out to be good. There is a couple runs, but like I said, I'm not really worried about it. I just wanted to put the first coat down. So yeah, I've been through 2 cans already. I already had like 2 other red cans. I still got another one right here. These 2 are done. Let me show you this side. I'm not touching this because we already started with this. If anything, I might add on to it today. And I already added another coat of red onto this door, but I'm just gonna knock it down a little bit with this sander because it had writing on it for something they said, and I didn't really want that on it. So yeah, so now get ready to set myself up for these back bumpers. I'm gonna flat black them. Anybody that watched my recent video on the manifold, this is what I was using, but I left the other can at my garage, so I was gonna do the front and back, and that will be flat black. All right, so I just did a light spray coat for the back bumper. I wanted to get a little tacky, just like I do everything else, and I'll let it sit. I'm gonna hit this part of the bed again with some more red. Probably hit it with like another 2 more coats, and then I'll show you guys that final product, and then I can show you what else we're gonna do. Lord, I hope it don't start raining. So we decided to paint this 2 red. Let me go around and show you guys the truck. Black. I think this red came out better. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit the other side with another coat once it Gets a little dry. This side is pretty much cool. It's done. So, in the camera you can't see it, but it's got a couple of runs, but I ain't really worried about that because like I said, I'm not looking for perfect. It is what it is. So, yep. And he's done that side. So I think he just basically just clean it up, but for the most part, yeah. So it's kind of dark outside, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video for tomorrow. Then I'll pick up on pressure washing the engine bay. As you guys can see, it is straight dark. See, and I can't show you the final product because it did rain out here, so we have to look at how the paint job came out. See you guys in the morning. Bye.
Day 3.
So I'm picking up on it today. The truck came out to look good. It did rain that day, so and whatnot. So today we basically just gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, so this is what happened, how it came out to look. To me, it don't look too bad, but I'm not looking for it to be perfect. Today, I'm gonna tackle all this stuff. Vacuum them out, clean off this seat, see what we got, what I might need, whatnot for the build. And then after I do that inside, I'm going and pressure wash the inside of the bay. I got some cleaner stuff, some Dawn detergent, just wash everything down and we should be good to go. So that's what today's goal is for this truck. Hopefully after that, the next step is getting this pour 15 and start pour 15 some of this front end right here. As you can see, that's rusted out, but I ain't really too worried about it. It's gonna pour 15 that and enjoy the truck. And he's got a welder, so I don't gotta worry about that. We just weld that top back up. I still got the bracket in the back. So pretty much what I'm saying is, as far as this build, it's just gonna be like little minor things that we're gonna have to tackle. But for the most part, for about $2,000, this should be able to get this thing running and driving and to brake suspension. And after that, then we can start worrying about throwing another $2,000 at it to get it to run fast. So that's the goal for right now.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so this is how far me and Woody made it. Basically cleared everything out on the inside. So that's cool. You mind if I show them your motor and stuff?
No.
Don't show them yet?
No.
Alright. So guys, pushed back the truck a little bit, cleaned it out. This is what we got down to. Use soap and water, so should be good. So now I'm about to go ahead and do this engine bay. Just clean it up a little bit, pressure wash it, and we should be good to go. So I want to go ahead. I went ahead and clean up the engine bay. So I'll show you guys that how it looks now. Yes, the engine bay is now clean. I basically pressure washed the inside of the truck again. Got a little bit of grime up off the floor. So I'm content and happy with that. Now I can move forward more of this project. I just want to keep something in note, guys, that just because this truck looks like shit right now doesn't mean that's not going to be good later on. Do my best. I'm not looking for, excellence. I'm just looking for decent, because at the end of the day, in my mind, it's a Ford. So I went ahead and took the saw blade and scratched all that, put Chevy Power on here, Low&Slow Garage, and my signature. the smiley face. I didn't know what I really wanted to put on this side, so I just did that because I really want all that to rust out and give it like the rusted look. I already got my red faded. So yeah, hopefully this color will fade. Well, that color right there will fade like this red. I think it's gonna take some time, but yeah. The only thing left now to do is this front bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, just hit it with the straight flat black. This is the other side. I'm sorry I didn't show y'all. I just did some little scribble scrabble shit. So yeah, just really wanted the rusted look. We'll see how it comes out. If I don't like it, I can always paint it over with that red. So yeah, not too bad. Alright guys, so it's got the first coat of paint on here. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and hit with another second coat of paint. But you already know how I do this. Hit it with 3 coats, maybe possibly 4, to really get the coverage going, and we should be good. I went ahead and hit some of these spots that's already got like, you know, already rusted. So hopefully that slows it down a little bit until I get the stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm going for. Alright guys, so there's been about like 4 coats on this thing, and that's going to be a wrap for today's end of the video. So just let you guys know, we do got a giveaway going on. Check the description down to figure out how you're going to enter that giveaway. And you guys take care, have a good day. See y'all in the next Low and Slow Garage. Later guys. Yeah, the inside looks complete. Content with that.